Someone still hasn't slept today.
I think I like this little life.
I wasn't help over there, and I didn't help anybody. Oh, thanks, Dad. Thanks.
Listen, I think you are delicious.
I know that. I did a boy.
You're not what?
I'm a fool.
So if a stranger says, "Hey little girl, do you want to come see the puppies in my car?" What do you say?
Yeah.
No.
Or yes.
No.
Or wait.
No, not we. Don't switch the languages.
Okay.